with two sides. Always helps us see more than one point of view and the higher level truth or goodness possible when we can get the best of more than one perspective. For this exercise, I invite you to think of a difference you're trying to make in a person who matters significantly in that. And we'll use that as the two sides or the two perspectives you'll work with. It could be someone you need to influence on this matter, or maybe are even in conflict with on this matter. But we're going to work with this idea of polarities and how to shift between two different perspectives and see what's both valuable and concerning about either one. To make this a physical exercise, I invite you to lay out a plus sign on your floor so you can physically move your body through these four quadrants. You'll see here I've just done it using a couple of yoga mats. You can do it using sticks or tape, but something that allows you to move and experience what it is to feel into two sides. At the same time, you might take a piece of paper where you can record your answers of what it feels like to stand in each of these places. So let's get started. Get a piece of paper and draw a plus sign on it with you on one end of the axis and person X on the other. So I'll use this side as you, or in my case, me, and this side as person X. We're going to start on your side and standing in what I'd call the upside, or the side of value and goodness, of what's right and wonderful about your point of view and this difference you're trying to make. Feel into what you appreciate about this place. What are you trying to do when you attend to this difference you want to make? What goodness are you trying to bring about? And write a few elements in the top quadrant on your side of this plus sign. After you've written a few things, feel into what happens if you were to overdo it, if you only had your own perspective, your own point of view, or only you were focusing here. What problems would start to emerge? Feel what it is to stand here. And write a few things into the bottom, the concerning side of the you part of this map. To mitigate these concerns, now you might bring in person X perspective, standing over in what's good and valuable about person X's perspective. What are they trying to accomplish? What matters to them as it pertains to this difference you want to make? And write a few things in the top of their side of this map. And finally, if only person X's view prevailed, or if only they were working this, what is the downside or the concern? If their point of view was the only one in this matter, what might happen? You should now have a map of all four quadrants, and I invite you now to feel into the higher level goodness that's possible from the best of both. From the best of both, a sense of embracing both perspectives. If you could get the best of the value and mitigate the concerns, what might be possible? You might state a higher level goal. And then inasmuch as you can connect person X to this bigness you're feeling now, you can help them resonate with this idea. How is it in their interest? This is one very practical way you can work with two sides.